Article 14, aggravating circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. First, that the advantage to be taken by the offender of his public position. Second, that the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to public authorities. 3. That the act be committed with insult or disregard of the respect due to the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex. On the on on that it be committed in the dwelling of the offended party, if the latter has not given provocation. 4. That the act be committed with the abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. 5. Fifth, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where the public authorities are public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duty, or in the place dedicated to religious worship. 6. That the crime be committed in the night, or in the un, in uninhabit place uninhabit place, or by a band, whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed forces malefactors shall be up together in uh, commission of offense, it shall be deemed to have been committed committed by a band. 7. That the crime be committed on the occasion of invasion, conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamities or misfortune. 8. That the crime be committed within the aid of armed men or person who ensure or offered impunity. 9. That the accused in recidivist uh, uh, I, recidivist is one who at the time of the trial from one crime shall be shall have been previously convicted with the final judgment of other crime embraced in the same title of this code. 10. That the offender have been previously punished by an offense to which the law attach on equal or greater penalty, or for two or more crimes to which is attached as lighter penalty. 11. That the crime committed is consideration of a price, reward, or promise. 12. That the crime be committed by the means of inundation, fire, poison, explosions, stranding of a vessel, or intentional damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or or by the use of or by or by the use of any other artifice involving greater waste and ruin. 13, that the act be committed with the evidence prevention. 14, that the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. 15, that the advantage be taken of a superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Weaken the defense. 16, that the act be committed with treachery, alevisa. There is treachery when the offender committed any of the crime against a person employed means method of or forms in the execution thereof, which tend directly and specially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might take. 17, that uh, that means be employed or circumstance brought about with ad ignominy to the natural effect of the act. 18, that the crime be committed after unlawful entry. There is an lawful entry when the entrance of the crime crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or a broken window. 20, when the crime be committed with the aid of person under 15 years of age, or the means of motor vehicle, uh, motorized watercraft, airship, and other similar means. 21, that the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately prejument by causing other wrong not necessary of its commission.